Hi, this is a reality test of International Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Varinder and I am here to conduct a pre-IELTS speaking of Daljit Singh and candidate number 111084. Daljit, are you ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about your hometown?
I hail from village Ramgarh and it is a big village in my town. In front of my house a big park and north side and south side back of my house a big grocery store.
What kind of people lives in your hometown?
In my hometown, many caste of peoples are live. They always love with the other peoples.
Do you like the people of your hometown?
Yes, of course I like my people of my hometown because they are kind-hearted and they all were the polite.
What kind of facilities do you enjoy most in your hometown?
In my hometown there are various kind of facilities. Playground, big playground. I like to playing evening at a playground.
Do people of your hometown live with a corporation?
No.
Do people of your hometown lives with a corporation?
Just no people of my town not live with corporation.
And why?
So I can't understand question.
Okay. What kind of facilities you enjoy most in your hometown?
As I said, there are big playground. There in this kind of sports facilities I like in my town.
Do you like to have any kind of change in your hometown?
No, my hometown is always good, so I don't like to change any kind of
Okay.
in my village.
Okay. I'll put you some questions related to money. Do you save money?
Yes, I save money. When I need money, I spend on important things.
Okay. What's the importance of money in your life?
Money is important for everybody. Life in my life, importance of money to about important things as well as for higher study. Money is important.
Why do you think some parents give their children money to spend each week?
Because they give to money because they help to enjoyment. Money help to their enjoyment as they reduce our stress.
Do you spend money wisely? Do you spend money wisely? Carefully?
Yes, I spend carefully on important things like books and which thing I need most. Those kind of things I spend money.
Can we buy everything with the money?
No, it's only which things are sales. I only about this kind. We only about this kind of things.
Okay. You want to buy something, but you do not have enough money. How you feel?
Couple of weeks ago I bought a bag. In that time I had no money, so I feel very sad because I need this bag.
Okay. Let's talk about weather. How's the weather like today?
Today weather is cold as well as sunny.
Okay. Do you like the weather of your country?
Yes, I like the weather of country in my country because it helps to enjoy ourselves.
Is the weather same in all part of your country?
I don't know, sir. All kind whole location was weather was different. So I don't know what weather are different in my country.
Is weather ever affect the way how you feel?
I can't understand.
Is weather ever affect your feels?
I don't think no sir, weather not impact on my thing, on my feelings.
Do weather ever affect the transportation of your country?
Yes, mostly roads are bad quality, so it's a weather impact on transportation of my country.
Okay. So this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the note. So your topic is number 1. Okay, start.
In my here I talk about a plan which I decided for my future. Recently completed my its plan is based on study. Recently I completed my senior secondary from Ashoka Senior Secondary School. It is almost 15 kilometer about my hometown. I decided to my further study to go in abroad. Now I am trying get coaching from Global Movers for crack the eyes for eyes. After that I select a course based on accountant and hotel management. It is very helpful in future. It will very helpful in future for get various kind of jobs like accountant, bank manager. With these jobs I get a fat salary, so I enjoy all comforts of my life. I select this study because I interested this study, as well as my parents had that it is a best study for to success in future. So I decided to take this study. When now I select admission this course and when I go to my home, my parents feel
Okay, time's up. I'll stop you here. Can I get my book back, please? Thank you. So this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to the future and future aspects. Which is better, having a lot of plans or having a no plan at all?
I think plan is important for our future. If we make a plan for future, it is helpful for get successful jobs, as well as with these jobs we get fat salaries.
Why do most people make plans before they go for travel?
Mostly people, I think mostly people make plan because it helps to them to time saving as well as they enjoy places in sequence.
Do you think planning help us to prepare for unseen troubles?
So,
Do you think planning help us to prepare for unseen troubles?
I think travel. I think planning is a.
What do you think people do when they face unpredictable issues?
Sir, pardon.
What do you think people do when they face unpredictable issues?
When they feel unpredictable issue, they feel very bad because it is it is it 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 is
Hmm?
it it impact on their feelings.
How do individuals feel when their plans do not work out?
I think mostly people are success in plans. However, if people are failing, failing our plan, so their plan, so they feel very bad, and they try to make a successful plan.
Do you think being unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
No, no, sir. I think it is not important if our plan is unsuccessful so our future is poor. For if our plan is unsuccessful, we can try to it is for successful.
Okay. So this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.